Good day everybody, USADOS is here. Today we have this Kia BONGO III 4WD double cab, white color. Let's take a look at it. Still in a good condition, but the problem is the rust. It's kind of getting rusty. Looks like the old owner didn't take care of it very well, but the engine, everything else is working perfectly. Let's take a look at the doors in the engine. Okay, so here are the doors. The doors here is quite fine, but here it's quite bad. As you can see, it's very rusty. There's a lot of corrosion here. Hope that's fine. This is the back door, left side. The other side. It's also quite rusty a little bit here. See the front one? Well, also here, as you can see, it's very rusty. Let's go check the engine. I just started the engine. The sound is very smooth. It's quite clean from here. Okay. There's no smoke or oil coming out. It's perfect. So here we are inside the BONGO Kia. Let's check the functions of this car. The audio, the aircon, the control panel here. Okay. Put it on. Lights are on. Let's see, start the engine. Lights are gone. There's no problem at all. Try to accelerate. Perfect. The RPMs are going very smooth. Let's try the audio. Speakers are loud. Perfect. Try the aircon. Whoa. Air is coming out very smooth and cold. It worked perfectly, no problem at all. It's cold. Switch it off. Also, windows. Other side. Back sides also, they work perfectly. Yep. Let's move on.
Esta es Busyman.kr, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. Busyman.kr. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398.
So this is the end of the review of this car, Kia BONGO III 2009 double cab. As you've seen, the engine, the function is in a good condition, but the sides have a severe corrosion and a lot of rust. But if you're interested in the car, please contact us, don't hesitate. And thank you for watching. USADOS was here from Busyman. Peace.